Hey everybody, it's Hailey. Today is going to be day 3 of the pumpkin challenge. And we're going to make the classic, iconic pumpkin spice latte because you can never get it at Starbucks and they're always out apparently. So today I'm going to show you how to make it at home. Let's get started. First here I have 2 cups of milk. Use whatever kind you want. And then I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of pumpkin. Okay. And this should make 1 to 2 servings. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Then we've got a teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. We're gonna give this a nice whiskey whisk. And then I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for 2 minutes or until it's hot. And while it's in the microwave, I'm going to make my coffee. What it looked like coming straight out of the microwave. So now I'm gonna whisk it up again to combine all the spices. All right, now all that's left to do is combine the two. So I've got my coffee here. You can use 2 shots of espresso, or I heard that you can also use 1/2 cup of strongly brewed coffee. So that's what I'm doing. Let's see how much is gonna fill up my cup. Let me see. Whoa, that is a crazy color. It almost looks red. Well, I guess it doesn't look red on camera. And then I'm gonna add in my milk mixture. Looks so good. It's time to try it. Oh, it's very hot. Nice pumpkin spice flavor with the coffee. This is such a warm and like comforting drink. I've been making my coffee at home a lot recently, and the pumpkin spice latte just tastes so much better homemade. So good. Don't forget to enjoy your latte with a slice of some lovely pumpkin banana bread. This was day 1 of the pumpkin challenge, and I will link that video up here. So I thought it would be fun that if for the rest of the challenge we kind of do like a surprise dessert. So I don't know what I'm going to be making. I've got a bunch of choices here in this little pumpkin bowl, and I'm going to pick one. Let's see. Try to not look. Okay. Pumpkin loaf bread Starbucks. What? I'm making 2 Starbucks things in a row? Okay. Fine, whatever. You can see I made the text really small. That was an accident. But yep. If you want to know how to make pumpkin loaf bread from Starbucks, this is what I'm doing tomorrow. Anyway, just stick it back in there. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. And I will see you in tomorrow's video, day 4 of the pumpkin challenge. Bye. To make the clap.